Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon all. Thank you for the opportunity given to me to present my article. My title article, The Influence of Family Income, Living Environment and Education on Poverty in Palopo City. A country can optimize natural resources as best as possible to support economic development, so that the use of natural resources can be directed toward protecting the environment with effort to grow the economy. You can see in Pongtuluran 2021. The use and utilization of natural resources in a country must be carried out of effectively and efficiently as possible to support economic growth, which is expected to create a balance between natural resources of or the environment and economic growth. Purba et al. 2020. In Indonesia, the problem of poverty is a problem that always occurs from time to time and is a major concern because poverty is always associated with disparities in society where there is a comparison between the rich and the poor. You can see in Ishartono and Raharjo 2016. The government continues to intensify all development efforts, both in urban and regional areas. This is done to reduce poverty rates, but in fact, this problem has not been completely resolved, especially in developing countries such as Indonesia. Aziza et al. 2018. Indonesia, as a member of the UN, is of course required to achieve the targets set in the Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs declaration. The aim of the SDGs is to achieve a universal common goals that focus on development issues, namely environment, economic, and social. Next, literature review. The concept of poverty has attracted the interest of politicians and intellectuals in recent years. You can see in Hammerford 2020 and Wolf 2021. The alternative concept of poverty include as a basis for use internationally. In principle, these are sustainability, basic need, and relative deprivation. The concept of subsistence is defined as poverty if their income is insufficient to meet the minimum physical needs of life. A family is considered poor if its income minus rent is below the poverty line. The minimum income level is the barrier between poor and not poor, or is often referred to as the poverty line. You can see in Arshad 2021. Poverty is a situation where a person lacks asset and valuable object depending on certain situation, which usually compares the situation of a group of people with other groups in society. Income is the total real income of all household members which is contribute to meet collective and individual needs in the household. The next concept of poverty is basic needs, which began to be used in the 1970s, even though this idea actually has a long history. You can see in Townsend 2020. Basic needs can be grouped into first basic needs which are absolutely necessary to maintain life, namely adequate food, housing, and clothing, as well as household equipment and supplies. According to Tudaro in 2000, the main reason for the influence of formal education on income distribution is that there is a positive correlation between a person's education and the income they will earn. Next problem statement in my article, the first, is there an influence of family income on poverty in Palopo City? Secondly, is there an environmental influence on poverty in Palopo City? And the last is there an influence of education on poverty in Palopo City? Methodology. I use methodology for my article. This is research uses secondary data in the form of time series from 2014 to 2023 and cross-section data consisting of 9 sub-districts in Palopo City. So this is pool data, namely a combination of time series data 2014 until 2023. So this is a use a 10 years data with 9 cross-section data sub-district. Data collection was carried out using literature studies in the form of a statistical reference, periodicals, book, and documents. Next, methodology analysis technique I use in this article. To fulfill the objective of the research and test the hypotheses that have been established, path analysis was carried out Ghazali in 25. Path analysis is a development of a regression model that is used to test the suitable fit of the correlation matrix of two or more models compared by research. Models are usually depicted with circles and arrows showing causal relationship. Path analysis is a causal model analysis of independent variable, intermediate, endogenous variable, and dependent variables, as well as all measured variable. You can see the model. Information PK is a family income, LH environment, and P education. Result and discussion. You can see table 1 is data process 2025 at 24. The panel data regression model has a 3 estimate that can be carried out using the common effect model, fixed effect models, and random effect model approach. Next test will be used to select the best model from 3 models, CEM, FEM, and REM, which will be carried out in data analysis in this research. The classic assumption test is used to test assumption and model suitability. Discussion. The table above can explain that the education variable has a negative and significant effect on poverty in Indonesia in 2014 until 2023. I mean Indonesia in Palopo City. This is in line with the first hypothesis with research by Asisa et al. In 2021, which explained that when education is higher, it will increase the prosperity and welfare of society. Education is related to human development. This is because poverty is an illustration of the lack of success in human development. Furthermore, environmental variables have no influence on poverty in Palopo City in 2014 until 2023 because the probability is more than alpha 5%. This is not the same as the second hypothesis and is not in line with research by Islami and Anis in 2019, which explain that the environment influences poverty. This research is in line with research by Ariasi and Yuliarmi in 2021, which explained that the living environment has no effect on poverty because the quality of the community's living environment is good and good. The family income variable has a probability number less than 5% alpha and the coefficient number is negative. So it can be said that the family income variable has a negative and significant influence on poverty in Palopo City in 2014 until 2023. This means that when family income increases, the poverty rate will decrease. This is in line with the third hypothesis and research by Maisari et al. In 2018, which explained that family income has a negative effect in poverty. This research is also in line with research by Restu in 2020, which explained that income has a negative effect on poverty. Research by Asisa et al. in 2018 also state that APBD allocation for family assistance can reduce the existing poverty rate. Apart from that, this research is also in line with research by Raharyanti in 2013, which explained that family income has an influence on poverty. So my conclusion in my article, based on the analysis of a research result discussion of the influence of family income, living environment, and education on poverty in Palopo City, it can be concluded that one, a family income has a significant effect and has a negative relationship with poverty in Palopo City. Secondly, the environment has no influence on poverty in Palopo City. And the third, education has a significant effect and has a negative relationship on poverty in Palopo City. And the last, I say thank you. That's all the presentations I did. Thank you for all your attention. Thank you once again for the opportunity given to me. We apologize if there are still many shortcomings in this research. And especially thank you for the organizer International Economic and Business Conference Universitas Muhammadiyah Makassar. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.